Today we will do spelling practice for speed sound set 3. First we will revise the sound and then we will start our spellings.
E, A, O, U, E, I,
Uh,
U, shush, O, A, U, shun,
E. And our sound for spelling practice is E. This is the first sound of speed sound set 3 and we will practice E words. Okay? I will give you a word. You have to pinch the word on your fret finger and then you will write it. And your first word is beach. Pinch the beach on your fret fingers and then you will write it, okay?
B-E-Ch.
Beach. It has
3 sounds.
3 sounds. Write it and underline the special friend, okay?
Is this a sound?
Yeah. It's our sound of the day.
Okay.
For spelling practice. You have to write the word beach. Yes. There are 2 special friends in the word beach, like B-E-Ch. Beach. Your next word is dream. Pinch the dream. Good. It has
4 sounds.
good. Write it. Your underline the special friend. D-R-E. Your next word is eat.
Eat.
Good. It has just 2 sounds. And your next word is see. See. Yes. E. See. And your last word is speak. Speak. Can you speak? Speak. Good. Speak. Speak. Now, my question is, there is a sound in speed sound set 2 that has a E sound. Okay? I will give you a word. You have to find, is it E of speed sound set 2 or is it E of speed sound set 3? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Your word is green. Is this E is of speed sound set 2 or set 3?
Set 2.
Yes. It is E, like E, what can you see? And your next word is meat.
Eat.
Yes. Underline the special friend.
Okay.
Okay. Your last word is tree.
Okay.
Tree.
E.
Tree. Write it here.
Okay. Uh, E.
Yes. Underline the special friend. Tree. Good job.